Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify health and wellness for you.
Your kidneys are like the body's natural filtration system, working around the clock to remove toxins, balance fluids, and keep you feeling your best. But how often do you think about giving them the care they deserve? In this video, we're breaking down 7 simple, science-backed methods to detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. From staying hydrated to eating the right foods and even trying herbal teas, these tips are easy to follow and can make a huge difference for your overall health. Make sure to stick around until the end, where we'll share one powerful method that most people completely overlook. Ready to take your kidney health to the next level? Let's dive in. Herb droplet. Quick reminder, this video is for informational purposes only. Always consult your doctor for personalized advice. The kidneys are critical for maintaining overall health, acting as the body's filtration system by removing waste, balancing fluids, and regulating essential minerals. Keeping them functioning optimally reduces the risk of kidney stones, infections, and chronic kidney disease, CKD. Here's a detailed, research-supported guide to detoxifying and caring for your kidneys naturally. 1. Stay hydrated. Water plays a fundamental role in kidney health by facilitating toxin removal through urine and preventing dehydration, which can lead to kidney damage. Scientific insight. Studies show that proper hydration can reduce the risk of developing kidney stones by diluting urine and preventing mineral crystal formation. Signs of dehydration. Look for dark yellow urine, fatigue, dizziness, dry mouth, or headaches. How much water? The National Academies recommend 2.7 liters for women and 3.7 liters for men daily, though individual needs vary. Pro tip: add hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and citrus fruits to your diet for an extra boost. 2. Limit sodium intake. Excess sodium overworks the kidneys by increasing calcium excretion in urine, elevating blood pressure, and contributing to kidney disease. The numbers. The American Heart Association recommends less than 2,300 milligrams of sodium daily, but most people consume over 3,400 milligrams. Health risks. High sodium intake is linked to kidney stones, hypertension, and CKD progression. Practical steps. Reduce processed foods, which account for 70% of dietary sodium. Replace table salt with herbs and spices like basil, garlic, and paprika. 3. Incorporate kidney-friendly foods. A nutrient-rich diet supports kidney detoxification and reduces inflammation. Fruits. Apples contain antioxidants and pectin, which lower cholesterol and reduce kidney strain. Berries. Blueberries and cranberries are high in antioxidants and prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. Vegetables. Kale and spinach, rich in vitamins A and C, promoting kidney cell repair. Sweet potatoes contain potassium, balancing sodium levels to support kidney function. Fish. Omega-3 fatty acids in salmon and mackerel reduce inflammation and may slow CKD progression. Pro tip: limit potassium-rich foods like bananas if you already have CKD, as excess potassium can harm compromised kidneys. 4. Try herbal teas. Herbal teas are a natural way to detoxify and support kidney health. Nettle leaf tea acts as a diuretic, increasing urine output to flush out toxins. Turmeric tea contains curcumin, which reduces kidney inflammation and oxidative stress. Dandelion tea supports liver and kidney function with its diuretic and detoxifying properties. Scientific insight. Studies highlight herbal tea's antioxidant properties, which lower the risk of kidney stones and protect against CKD. 5. Take the right vitamins and supplements. Proper vitamins and nutrients are essential for kidney function. Vitamin B6 reduces oxalate levels in urine, lowering the risk of kidney stones. Vitamin D, essential for calcium absorption and bone health, which indirectly supports kidneys. Probiotics improve gut health, reducing toxin buildup in the bloodstream. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, reduces oxidative stress and inflammation in kidney cells. Important: always consult a healthcare provider before starting supplements, especially if you have pre-existing kidney conditions. 6. Avoid artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners are often marketed as healthier alternatives, but research suggests otherwise. Sweeteners like sucralose and aspartame negatively affect gut microbiota, potentially impacting kidney health. Regular consumption has been linked to an increased risk of CKD. Healthier alternatives. Replace artificial sweeteners with honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar in moderation. Pro tip: opt for whole fruits as natural sweeteners to satisfy sugar cravings without straining your kidneys. 7. Consider a 2-day kidney cleanse. A short detox diet focusing on nutrient-rich foods and liquids can help flush toxins and reset kidney function. What to include? Liquids: green juices, herbal teas, and water infused with cucumber or lemon. Foods: berries, leafy greens, apples, and chia seeds. Supplements: turmeric, probiotics, and antioxidants. Scientific perspective: although clinical evidence on kidney cleanses is limited, many report feeling revitalized and more energetic after such detoxes. Caution: avoid extreme cleanses, especially if you have kidney disease. Always consult a doctor for personalized advice. Caution: avoid extreme cleanses, especially if you have kidney disease. Always consult a doctor for personalized advice. Your kidneys work tirelessly to keep your body balanced and healthy. Incorporating these natural, scientifically supported methods can protect your kidneys and enhance overall well-being. By staying hydrated, eating the right foods, and avoiding harmful substances, you can give your kidneys the care they deserve. Which method will you try first? Share your thoughts in the comments. For more health tips and detailed guides, subscribe to our channel and explore our website. Stay healthy, and as always, breathe easy.